Yeah, thanks for asking about Ed Reed. He's one of the premier players in football. He has been since he got into the league day one. He does everything. He returns punts. He brushes punts when asked to. He plays defense. He tackles, even though some people don't think he tackles. He tackles a lot. Look at how many tackles he has this year. So, and then he comes up with plays, and he made that play at the end of the first play. So, I'm sure glad we got him. And he's a great player. He's a great person.
Hey, John, were you getting when Flacco was under the tremendous pressure? Were you getting especially nervous about it?
Well, I don't know what the term is for it, but that's not what you want, obviously. I thought Joe did a great job under fire. That's a really good pass rush team. It's a premier pass rush team. And we didn't do a great job always of blocking. At times we did. I thought Joe did a really nice job of protecting the ball in the pocket, stepping up and making a couple throws, and then when he did get sacked, minimizing the negative play and making sure we punted when we were finished. So give Joe a lot of credit on that.
John, this will be your third AFC championship in 4 years. Is it time to go ahead and win one?
It's always time to go ahead and win one. I mean, it goes for this game, every game, championship game, opener. It's time to go ahead and win.
John, you said there were certain things that humbled you. Do you look forward now thinking you have to do a better job offensively against the Patriots?
Well, I think you have to do whatever you have to do to win a football game. I would anticipate against the team we're about to play, you'd have to do a better job offensively in terms of numbers and stats and points, of course, than we did today. We'll see how that plays out throughout the course of the game. But that's what the humility, I think, is all about. It's about going to work on those things and trying to improve those things, recognizing the really good job that the team did against us today. But it's about looking forward. We're not looking behind us. We're not looking to either side. We're just looking forward to the next challenge, and that's the one we'll be going after.
John.